beautiful Argentinian shrimps right here. You know what I'm talking about?
Whoa,
Good
they're
God
huge.
Almighty.
Okay.
And they so pretty, and they already been cleaned. That's what I like about them.
Okay.
The only thing I did was I put them in a little salt water with some vinegar, and I just kind of rubbed them a little bit, and I made sure that they don't smell all fishy. You know how you get shrimp sometimes and it's fishy? You do not want that.
Oh.
See, you don't smell
it.
it.
You don't smell it at all. Wow.
So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna season our shrimp, right? So we got some black pepper, and what black pepper does, it just brings out the seasoning in your food. And then we're gonna go with a little bit of salt. We don't wanna overdo it because the grits are gonna have salt as well. Okay? And then some Italian seasoning, onion powder, not a lot, and a little bit of garlic powder. Cup of yellow stone ground grits. And last but not least, we have some turkey sausage. But we're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna show you how to put the whole dish together. Now this is what we all been waiting for. So we got a little salt, and if you can see this here, this is some heavy whipping cream. You know, they say for creaming your grits, use milk. I don't use milk, I use heavy whipping cream. That's what's gonna give you that good creaminess, and it's gonna get a good consistency, and it's just gonna be a beautiful, beautiful dish at the end of the day. And then some butter. We're gonna bring that up to a boil. So now you can see our heavy cream is coming to a boil. We're gonna go in with a cup of grits, and we're not gonna pour them all in at one time. Just gonna kind of stir them in slowly. We're gonna go in with some onion. We got some butter that's melted. A little bit of green pepper. And it smells so good when you drop them vegetables in there. So we just go in with our sausage. And we go in with a little bit of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Garlic, minced garlic, that's enough. You got to season your tomatoes, guys. So we're going with some basil. Basil and tomato always go well together. They even got a Lay's potato chip called basil and tomato. Last but not least, our seasoned shrimp. Look at that. Yeah. And shrimp cook so fast that we just spread these out to make sure they cook evenly. And it's gonna soak up all the flavor from all the other things here in this dish. And then last, and most certainly not least, the cheese, man. You got to have the cheese. That's what we all looking for anyway, right? The cheese. I got the cheese. I want a hefty bag full of cheese. Now, I'm talking about money, I ain't talking about this. So we got some sharp white cheddar. I'm gonna go in with all of that because I love that sharp white cheddar. The way that sharp white cheddar, especially the New York sharp cheddar, goes in with those grits is just amazing. And you just want to just get that juice on top of them. People always ask me, what's that sauce? What's that sauce on your shrimp and grits? It's not really a sauce. All of these flavors together creates a sauce. And it looks like it's a sauce. You see that juice? See that? It looks like it's a sauce, but it's really not.
Welcome back to more Eat, Drink, and Handle Your Business. And the way I'm looking at this right now, like we can stop. We need to pause and just go ahead and get this because this is looking like a whole snack.
Yeah, you know, it's a whole snack.
I'm talking about the food. Talk about the food because I know him. Anyway.
But that's how I get a whole snack. You know what I'm saying?
Whatever.
When you put that food
Talk
on.
about the shrimp.
Oh, I'm sorry. I like them thick. You see, I like them thick like my gray. You know what I'm saying? And I see that. You see that butter floating around up in there? Good God Almighty.
It's so good.
Oh God.
If you're on a diet, this show is not for you.
Yeah, it is. You know what I'm saying? A thick diet.
Oh my gosh.
Thick
You
'em
trying
up.
to thicken them up? Yeah.
Give me a skinny minute. I'll thicken her up.
Oh.
We're gonna pour this right in the bowl. Look at that. Oh. Good God Almighty.
That's when you know it's good. When it just doesn't pour in there like porridge.
There you go. Now, take a little scoop of this right here. Look at that. Good. Go.
It looks amazing.
And you wonder why that girl keep running down to that boy house. She's running down there because he's making that shrimp and grits.
Oh Lord.
I told her to bring me some next time. Just pour a little bit of that sauce on there. It don't hurt nothing, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. Woo! Yes, Lord.
So good.
Just gonna top it off with some fresh dill.
Oh wow.
You see how pretty that is? And then when the little thing drip down like that, you just put it in your mouth.
Just
I said I'm crazy about you, baby.